Here we go, side hustle part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, to know how this software works, you need the specific scanner that I use. See part 1, here we go. How we're gonna turn AI into your card worker. Oh, it's gonna work for you. And AI is gonna do all the work that normally you would do. Here we go, really quickly, just wanna show you something. I have about 800 lifetime scans and time saved using the software, 54 hours. So haven't been a member that long, but I do wanna show you something, how to use the software and how you could turn your side hustle into a dream quick job to make quicker money. Here we go, stay tuned. After you see part 1 and you see how I use the Fujitsu scanner, link down in the bio. Once again, I'm an Amazon affiliate. For every time you click it, I get a small commission, no cost to you. Okay, here we go. So basically I made batches and you'll see what I did with those batches. Go into a batch, you have the card, the image of the card, the Fujitsu scanner made. Very nice, very high quality image. And right next to it, you have the back of the card. So it scans front and back. As you can see, very nice scan. These are based on my settings. Right over here, as you can see the margins, you can set margins so that more detail on the edges if you're not getting the right detail. How this works with the AI, open up the software is called Card Dealer Pro, and it's at carddealerpro.com. Once you sign up, make an account. Once again, I don't work with them, no, not affiliated with them. I just simply found this and want to share a little side hustle, quick way if you have cards to make a little extra money. I'm sharing my experience. Show you real quick how this software works, this AI software. Now that I've been holding you in suspense, top right corner, you click on new. We're just gonna name this batch 1. You're gonna name it however you want. There are a lot of details here, a lot of things going on. You could select a category, a specific category. We're doing multiple. I'm just gonna do a quick test run, show you basically how this works and how simple this makes your categorizing and cataloging of these cards. So let's go, we're gonna hit create. And now we're gonna do it really by this Fujitsu scanner, so that way we have the image and everything already uploaded. So we're gonna do upload card images. We're gonna do front and back right over here. We're gonna go ahead and press upload. Let's go to the different one. We're gonna do 1 card, 2 cards, 3 cards, 4 cards, 5 cards, 6 cards. All right, we have 6 cards front and back. Let's go ahead and let's upload the cards. See what's going on. All right, so there's our test box right over here. And as you can see, it's processing. So you're gonna get a real life sense of how long it takes for this AI to do what it does. So as you can see, it's down to 1 card completed. It's still processing the other cards. I'm gonna leave this on proper speed so you can really see what's going on here. All right, so it did take about a minute and a half. Let's see if it found the cards. So the details, how it finds, these are the 6 cards that I uploaded. Basically what it does for me is it figures out the card. All right, so Jerry Johnson, it is 169 right here on the back, card number 169. It is a Topps, it is a 1978. It cannot grade the card for me, so that's for me to add in. I could add a purchase price right here, price I want to sell it for. And then down here, which is great, what it does do is gives me recent sales and active listings for this. So if I go ahead and click that, right up top, you can see the active listings. And there is a way to export this whole batch to sell this card. So I could sell this. Once again, I could add all these other details here, any notes, grading number, variation, attributes, whatever. So as you can see, it finds the card, catalogs it, finds an average price right over here for me based upon recent sales and active sales. If I go back right over here to batch 1, I could just do export could just do export batch right over here up top to eBay CSV, which will make a spreadsheet that I can load into eBay. So this does catalog the cards for me, makes it a little easier. Like, share, subscribe. See the printer in the comment section, in the description below. Hope this helps. Let me know if you end up using this software. See you on the next one. Stay tuned for more side hustles, a little bit ways of making extra money.